Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to enable Autopay for your HDFC Bank credit card. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Under the Cards section, click on Credit Cards from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Your Credit Cards page, where all the credit cards linked to your account are displayed. Click the arrow button next to your preferred credit card. You will be taken to Credit Card Summary page. In the right sidebar, find the section titled Credit Card Bill. As you can see, Autopay is currently disabled for our credit card. To enable it, click the Enable link below the Autopay section. Choose whether you want to pay the minimum amount due or the total amount due. Click on Continue. Review your details and click Confirm to proceed. That's it. Autopay has been successfully enabled. This is how you can enable Autopay for your HDFC Bank credit card. Thank you for watching.